Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another Saturday, another shave, and we've got a good one lined up for you today. It's been a good week in work, busy but good, and the weekend's here, so we're going to have a nice shave. Sample Saturday, here we go now. The viewer that very kindly sent me all the Wickham stuff, he sent me some other samples as well, including the one we're going to be using today. Here it is. Now, that's a label I've printed off myself and stuck onto another tub, you know, for thumbnail purposes. But here it is. Right, look. You can get it on Amazon. That's it there. You get it on Amazon for £22. It's Castle Forbes Lime. And if you're on Prime, it's free shipping. I'll just read you a little bit of this. It says, Castle Forbes, the world's smallest perfumery, located in the picturesque Castle Forbes on the banks of the River Don, Aberdeenshire. It's the ancestral home of the chief of the Forbes clan. The perfumery is based in a converted building behind the castle. The range of fragrances and shaving products are famed all over the world for quality and performance. Castle Forbes shaving creams are consistently voted the best shaving creams in the world. I've never used them before, guys, but it says this lime shaving cream possesses an incredibly zesty, fruity fragrance of limes, and it adds a real burst of zing to your daily shave. What I can say, guys, is that's true. I've got some in the Giles shaving bowl here. Superb. Love the shaving bowl, guys. Check him out. Giles.com or gilesshaving.com. He does these bowls. Yeah. This is the most naturally smelling lime scent I've seen. It really does give a zesty zing. It's like if you scratch the outside of a lime, not so much if you cut it in half, if you scratch the outside of a lime with a sharp nail and you get that burst of oil from the zest. That's what it smells like. Absolutely lovely. We're going to be whipping a lather up with that. Razor. Well, actually, we'll say the brush. Here it is, the green one. Look, Francis Bosse, beautiful. Love that brush. We'll get that in soak. We're going to balm up with a bit of alcohol. Not used that for a while, so we're going to use that. Aftershave. Bond from Poland. I use it because it's got a green lid, green writing, kind of with a green theme. So I thought we'd use that now. Oscar Delgadillo from Mexico, a new subscriber from Mexico. He saw the past few shaves and he said, John, have you ever tried the Yaqi slant? And he said what I already knew. This is one aggressive little sucker of a razor, this, guys. And that's what we're going to be using. Can you see the Y on the bottom there? That's what we're going to be using today. The Yaqi, it's a beautiful razor. But my word, it's well engineered, but it's aggressive. And in that, keep it in line with the green theme, look, Gillette 7 o'clock. Perma-sharp stainless. So let's open this. There it is. And we'll get it in. And then we'll have a shave. And what we're going to do today, shall we tell a joke? Look at that, no overhang on this, guys. It's actually kind of, I've got big fat things, actually kind of, I'll hold it up and see if you can see it. It's actually kind of hemmed in. I don't know if you can see that, but it is them little overflaps there that push it down. And we'll get that on there. It's Saturday, sample Saturday. We're going to have some fun. Look at this. Have I got that on right? Yeah, it's on right. My word, I've just forgot how aggressive. Look at that, guys. Can you see that? What does that say there? Yaqi DLC, so we'll get that in some water. No, it won't fit. Yeah, there you go. Okay, before we start, I've not been up long, it's bright and breezy. Johnny's coffee. Dunkin' Donuts today, guys. That's the slurp for today. That's the slurp for tonight. you know I drink Jam Shed, they've just brought this out. Can you see that? If you like the white wine, Jam Shed Chardonnay, white, they've only just brought that out. And rumour has it they're bringing a rosé out as well, so you could get the white one too. That's really... Okay, we'll leave that there. We'll wet the face. No, we won't. We'll lather up. There you go. How is everybody doing? Wow, I put way too much. The friend of the channel, look at this, guys. How long's that been going? Oh, I would say the scent strength on this is about a 5, but it pops up straight away to a 6+ when you start lathering. Now on their website, Castle Forbes say you really, look at this. You really don't need a lot. And the sample that the friend of the channel very, very generously sent to me, I've only used, he sent me 2 little pots. I've used like he sent me 2 pots, I've used about 1/3 of 1 pot. And if you can see now, look at this. Wow, so, wow. Very, very rich, very luxurious. We'll leave that there because it's starting to burst up and come over the sides. So we'll wet the face and we'll crack on with this shade. And I've got a joke for you. Oh man. Oh, wet that face. I'm not long out of the sauna. I nearly said sauna again. I'm not long out of the shower. Oh man, so it is actually like a sauna. We'll crack that open a bit. Hey, do I look thinner? I had a salad this week. A whole salad. I ate it all as well. Right, here we go. Look at this. Oh guys, it smells fantastic. Thank you very much. He doesn't want to be named, but he knows who he is. A real help to the channel. Absolute gent. And I've been waiting to use this, but I'm trying to even it out because some other people sent me some samples. I want to try and use everybody's evenly, you know. And my face needs a rest, guys. I don't know what I'll be using for the next shave. But it's going to be a mild one. Guys, look at this. You can see. Wow, what a lather. Okay, here you go, Oscar. Oscar Delgadillo in Mexico, new subscriber. Let's have a go. Let's have a go and see. Yeah. Wow, that's exactly as I remember it. This is an aggressive one. Oh look, have I just gone right over that? I have, look. Do you know what I mean? A new flipping brand of stupid. Oh guys, just when you... It was healing up so nicely too. Hey ho. I don't care. It's Saturday. I spent some time with the family today. The restrictions have been lifted. Well, some of them. I've been to the gym a couple of times this week. I'm going to go to the DC shaves. That's my son, the DC shaves. He's having a barbecue this afternoon. And we're going to go to the barbecue. Look at that. Huh? Right. Thing is too as well, I do have I know I've said it before in previous videos. I do have very, very soft skin. And you combine that, it's an unusual combination, I think. It's the same, what's it called? What's the guy called? Geo Fat Boy. He said he's the very same. He said he's got I'll leave that there. He said he's got an extremely coarse beard and very, very soft skin underneath. And of course you come in the bathroom and it's roasting hot in here and very, very moist. It's going to soften the skin even more, but here we are. We'll go against the grain, avoiding the cut that for most mere mortals would require surgery. Oh, and me joke. Right, you ready? Right, so picture the scene. You're deep in the Amazon rainforest, right? And there's these little tribes called the bare bum savages, right? And basically they live in the Amazon and they're completely naked apart from little thongs. They've got these little thongs on, these savages. And despite being called savages, they're a peaceful people. They keep themselves to themselves. Well, one day, the two main hunters of the tribe, Kevy and Paul, they're out in the jungle looking for herbs and stuff. And Kevy comes out in this rash, oh man, the like of which you've never seen before. And they go back to the village and it becomes a talk of the village. It really does. Nobody's ever seen a rash. They've tried everything, nothing. It's getting worse, really worse. He's covered from head to toe in this rash and boils and scabs and everything. So anyway, his pal Paul says to him one day, he says, yeah, Kevy, you know, because he's Welsh. I'm not going to do Welsh all the way through. He says, Kevy, there's a witch doctor in the next village. Bet you he can cure. Well, the next village, aren't they like cannibal? He said, yeah, but if we go and tell them what's the witch doctor. Anyway, so they walk, Kevy and Paul, they walk across the Amazon into the next head shrinking tribe. And they get to the witch doctor. Paul waits outside and Kevy walks in nervously. He says, look at this. Witch doctor says, what you need to do? Look, I've cut my ear. Is this some kind of sick joke? Look at this. Anyway, that's not what Kevy said to the witch doctor. You saw the witch doctor. The witch doctor said to him, he says, you need to kill your best friend and boil him. And boil him for an hour. Take him out and then rub the juice that's left in the cauldron all over you. And that'll do it. So Kevy's like that. Looking at the crack in the shack that the witch doctor's in, and Paul's going. So anyway, he comes out, Paul says, what did he say? Kevy says, well, he told me how to fix it, but we'll see. And he agonised. Oh, Kevy did agonise. For about 15 seconds, honestly. Anyway, when they got back to the village, he killed Paul. Boiled him up like the witch doctor said. Buried him. Buried Paul in his own little patch. A herb garden outside with tomato plants and chilies and everything growing. Buried him in there. And rubbed the juice all over his body. Went to bed. When he woke up the next morning, gone. Skin like a newborn baby. Absolutely unbelievable. He was delighted. So delighted, in fact, he ran back to the village to tell the witch doctor. And the witch doctor said, "Oh, I told you it'd work." And he says to the witch doctor, "You've got to tell me what this stuff's called." The witch doctor said, "Palamine lotion." Paul and Kevin, if you're thinking of suing, right, I haven't got anything. Oh my, look at this. How many aggressive shaves, look. I need to let my skin rest, guys. I've never done that before in all my life. Do you know what though? When John shaves, hey, you get it all. Warts and all. Wow. Do you know there wasn't a lot left after the shave on Wednesday with the Knight's helmet, the 41. There wasn't really a lot left to start with, but there's even less now. Yeah, we'll call that. We'll call that. What we'll do is look at this. Look at all that's left. I'll put that on there, and we'll have a cold Lathering. I always used to have a cold Lathering. But all you need when you get into the summer months. Absolutely wonderful. Life feels so exhilarating. And wakes you up. Oh. That's us, guys. That's the shave. Right, we're gonna put some bond on. I got it because they're green and it matched and everything. Oh, here we go. Oh, that stings. Get some in that ear. Get some. Oh my. Oh yes, you can feel that. Oh. Okay, guys. Get some up the arms. Oh, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. We'll get the balm on. Enjoy your Saturday. Let me know what your shaves of the day are. Oh, let me know what mild razor you'd like to see me use on the Wednesday shave. Oh my word, it's so hot in here. And that's it. Look after yourself. Have a nice weekend, everybody. Oh, can't wait now. Go and see some family. Get outdoors. Enjoy that barbecue. Oh. Please click like and subscribe. I know I keep saying it. I'm trying to grow the channel. Thanks to all my supporters. Thanks to Oscar for picking that razor. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Take care, guys. Bye.